Hello, good morning students. Now I welcome you in the new class 11th. Myself Ikramul Haq, your maths teacher. Today we are going to introduce the first day and first topic. Let me tell you something about maths. Students think that maths is very difficult subject. They consider as a burden. But in my opinion, maths is not a burden. It is very simple and very interesting thing. Students think that they should memorize the formula and they should put the right formula and put their values to get the answer only. This is not fact. Actually, maths is a technique. We have to learn the technique and we have to learn how to learn the technique. We have to learn how to learn the technique. So we have to follow the techniques of maths and you will feel very easy. Now, in the previous classes, you have been taught by different teachers. Now, on the very first day, I want to tell you one thing, that whenever you are studying maths, be concentrate, be present in the class physically and mentally. Whatever you are listening, because it is completely audio visual class, means you have to listen and you have to watch it carefully. Without this, you cannot understand the things. So, if you are facing any problem or you are not understanding, so you should contact to your teachers. In the last of this video, I will give my contact number and WhatsApp number. You should ask, you should raise your problems, you should share your problems with me. One more important thing for today's lecture, whatever is taught every day, you have to make a notes of it. Means you have to write in a notebook, because we have very less time and large syllabus to cover. So every day you have to make the notes of the cover. Now, the very first topic today we are going to start. It is very new thing for you in CBSE syllabus, sets. This has not been taught in the previous classes. In other boards, it starts in the earlier classes. Now, sets. Let's see what is sets. What is a set? Set means a well-defined group. Well-defined group. Well-defined means which is acceptable by all. Means everyone can accept the things, well defined. Now, suppose I am telling the 1, 2, 3, A, B, X and so on. It is not well defined. You cannot say it is group of numbers. You cannot say it is group of alphabets. So, we have to see whether it is well defined or not. So, I was defining about the definition of sets. Means well defined group, or in other words, in your language you can say that the collection of same kind of commodity. Collection of same kind of commodity means same kind of things. Means suppose you are collecting the name of students, or you are collecting the name of birth of date of the students, collection of prices of different kinds of things. So this is a set. Collection of same kind of commodity is the set. Set is very simple language. Set means we have to write the combination of same kind of commodity. Like suppose you have a class of 50 students and someone goes in the class and asks what is the name of the students one by one. Roll number 1, what is your name? Roll number 2, what is your name? Roll number 3, what is your name? And so on. Means one who is inquiring the name of the students means he is making the data or the collection of same kind of things, means collecting the name. Suppose one who is asking what is your name, and with the other students what is your father's name, with the third student what is your date of birth, means different students are questioned different things. So this is not a set. When you combine same kind of commodity, that is set. Like set is noted by capital alphabets like A, B, C, D and so on, and it is noted in this curly bracket, and whatever we write in curly bracket, these are called elements of the set. Suppose I am writing A, E, I, O, U, means this is collection of all vowels of English alphabet. Suppose I am writing here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, means I have written the set of the collection of all odd natural numbers. Or suppose I am writing A, B, C, D, E, F and so on. It is collection of English alphabet. So we symbolize the sets by capital alphabet and we write this in curly bracket. Between two elements we write comma, means to differentiate the different elements. So now we are coming types of sets. How we represent the sets? Sets are represented by two ways. See, this is sets. We write the sets in two ways. One is roster form, and other is set builder form. Roster form and set builder form. Set is represented in two ways. One is roster form and other is set builder form. What is roster form? The form of representation of sets where we represent the set element wise, means we represent you can say every element represent itself. Every element represent itself in the set. This is roster form. All I have written roster form. See, this says I am A, this is E, I, O, U, means every element says its own story, means all about it. Here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is roster form. Now in set builder form, what is set builder form? In set builder form, any one of the elements, means in general we write the character of the elements of in whole set. We write the character of elements of whole set. Like this set A. See, I have written A, E, I, O, U. This is roster form. If I say this is a set of all vowels of English alphabet, so this is vowel, E is also vowel, I is also vowel, O is vowel, U is vowel. So I'm just taking general name. This is collection of or a set of all English vowels. So this represent the character of elements of the set. This is called set builder form. Here we can say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So every element is an odd natural number. So you can say this is the collection of all odd natural numbers less than 10. Because natural numbers are infinite. So if you are saying all natural numbers odd natural numbers, so maybe 11, 13, 15 and so on. But here we have a foundation, means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this number is less than 10. So we can say this is set of all odd natural numbers less than 10. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, this is roster form, means every element says its own story. But in set builder form, we can say that C is a set where all elements are English alphabet, or you can say this is set of English alphabet up to F, okay. Now again this is written in another form. We have two kinds of sets further, like we can say finite sets and infinite sets. What are finite sets and what are infinite sets? Simply go through the meaning of the words finite and infinite. Means when in a set number of elements are countable, means if you can count the number of elements in the set, that set is finite set. And if you are not able to count the elements, then this is infinite set. For example, you can say collection of set of all students of Shahfaz Public School. This is finite, means set of students which are belonging to the same school. So this is finite set. Collection of all stars in the sky. So it is infinite. You cannot count the stars. So set of all English writers are countable. So it is finite. So we have finite sets and infinite set. How we represent the finite set and infinite sets? Suppose I am writing A is a set and having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, this is countable, means in the set where first and last elements are known, 1 to 9. So this is set of all natural numbers or all positive integers less than or equal to 9. Positive integers less than or equal to 9. Or you can say this is set of all natural numbers less than or equal to 9. This is finite. And suppose I am writing like this. B is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after that dash dash and so on. Means it goes to infinite. This is natural number and this goes to infinite. So we have the extreme left, means the first number we have with us, but last number is not visible, not known. So this is infinite sets. So we have finite sets and infinite sets. All right. Now let's see how we represent the set in set builder form, means how we write it. Suppose I am writing a set A. Here I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. I am writing B, a set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Suppose I am writing C. Here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. I have written 3 sets. All these are here, every element says its own story. Like here 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number, 8 is even number, 10 is even number. Means this is set of all even natural numbers. And what kind of set it is? It is finite set, because both first and last elements are visible. So finite set, and so how we can say this set is in our language, that is set builder form, means A is a set of all even natural numbers less than or equal to 10. So how we write? Suppose I am writing this set A in set builder form. See, x such that x is an element, and means any element. X is any element. X such that x is even natural number less than or equal to 10, or you can say even natural number less than 12. Means next natural number, even number is 12, so you can say less than 12 or less than or equal to 12. So x means x is any element of this set. So x such that x is an even natural number less than or equal to 10. B, what is it? See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and it is again finite set. How we can write? 1 says its own story, that is odd number. 3 is odd number. 5 is odd number. 7 is odd. 9 is odd. Means every element says its own story. Means this is roster form. Now we have to write into set builder form. So what kind of elements are all these? Means all these elements are of odd natural numbers, and the limit is less than or equal to 9 or less than 10. So we can write x such that x is an odd natural number less than or equal to 9, or you can say less than 10. So this is set builder form. Again C is, what is the set? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What kind of number all these? See, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number. All are prime numbers. Means we have the collection of all prime numbers, but some more prime numbers are there after 11. This is finite set. So how we represent this? Means set of all prime numbers less than or equal to 11 or less than next prime number is 13. So how we write? Here x such that x is a prime number less than or equal to 11, or you can write less than 13 also. Less than 13, because next prime number is 13. So all these prime numbers are less than next prime number, that is 13. So you can write x such that x is a prime number less than 13, or you write x such that x is a prime number less than or equal to 11. Both can be written. Is it? Now see, we are coming the types of sets. Types of sets means in how many types of sets we have. The first one is null set. Null set, or we write this empty set. Null set or empty set. Null set, the set in which no element is found. The set in which no element is found means, how to represent this? Suppose X is a set and we have to form the symbol of this set and without any element. Without any element. This is called null set or void set or empty set, or this is noted as a symbol phi. Symbol phi. Null set, void set or empty set, all are same. The set having no element is called null set. For example, suppose I am telling you the collection of all the students in your school from North America. Means in Shahfaz Public School, how many students are studying from North America? So how many students you will get? No student from North America. Means in that set, In that set, you will have no element, no student. It means it is null set. North America, no students are there in this school. So the set having no element is called null set. Now, second one, we have singleton set. Singleton set means a set having only one element. Means any collection where we have only one element is called singleton set. Like suppose I am writing Y is a set having element 1, or Z is a set having element A, or P is a set having element A. Whatever is having element, suppose K. So elements are always written in a small alphabet. Try to understand. Elements are always in a small alphabet, but it is symbolized by capital alphabet. Means suppose you are writing like this: B is a set, it is having A, B, C are the elements. This is wrong practice. This one is not correct. Small b cannot represent the set, and capital alphabets cannot be the member of elements or member of this set. So mind it, always we represent the set by capital alphabet and the elements are small alphabet. Got it? Okay. Now we use different types of symbols. So firstly we use this symbol C, this kind of symbol, and this kind of symbol. This symbol means belongs to, and this one does not belong to. Means if any element is found in the set, so we use this symbol. Means suppose 2 is element, now belongs to, does not belong to, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are found in the set. So how we write? Like 2 belongs to A or 4 belongs to A. You can say suppose 11 does not belong to A. 11 is not found in this set, so you can write 11 does not belong to A. Suppose 3 does not belong to A. 6 does not belong to B. Means if the element is not found in the set, means you write this does not belong. If the element is found in the set, you will say it is belonging to the set. So we write does not belong or belong. In today's lecture, it is enough for today. Now in my next lecture, I will give you some more notes and some more things and symbols. Okay, thank you very much.